Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we connect headphone in our Poco phone and how can we use Bluetooth setting in our Poco phone. Today I will show you in this video friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my videos friends. Now let's see how can we connect headphone in our Poco phone guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting as scroll friends. You can see your Bluetooth setting and we will click on Bluetooth setting. First of all guys, we will on our headphones. So I will turn on my headphones. So I'll turn on your headphones guys. After on guys, you will have to turn on your phone Bluetooth setting. After on Bluetooth setting first guys, we will refresh it. After refresh guys, you can check your headphone device name. Then guys, you can connect. I wait here. Then guys, you can see your headphone device name. So I click on your device name setting guys. I have this British company headphone and guys, you can this notification guys, tap here to connect. Guys, you can see connected, battery 100% and active. So guys, you can use your headphone while watching movie, listen song. You can use your headphone with your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.